Alright, what we're fixing to do is we're gonna unbox the welder, but Victor's wanting to show off what he's got there. What you got there, Victor?
My torch set, the torch hose.
Yeah, that's the torch hose going right there. Hold up the gauges. There's your acetylene and oxygen gauges right there. The green is oxygen, the red is acetylene. And down here we're gonna have to get a new torch, looks like. Ooh, that looks like it went through a fire.
It looks like it's been through hell and back.
Yeah, this one's pretty bad.
It went through a fire. Hold it up here, let me see.
Hey, babe. These work?
It might just need cleaned up real good with some vinegar and stuff. Well, it's bent up too. Yeah, you need a new one. It's bent up pretty good. But it probably does still work.
You know, you'd be surprised what a little cleaning would
Oh
do.
yeah, look at that. It works.
Okay, y'all come on over here to the welder. Let's get a look on that real quick, and then we'll roll that up. Let's open up and see what did y'all get here today.
Get the cutter.
Huh? Huh? Look at you. Y'all happy, ain't you? It's Christmas Day for you, huh?
It's an early birthday gift for us right there.
All right, we're putting the unboxing on video because it was pouring down rain when they dropped this off here. There was absolutely no way at all possible to open it up. So there's the helmet.
New welding helmet.
You got a brand new welding helmet came with it. Okay, let's open this one. Careful now, I'll cut inside because this might be the cover.
Oh, it's still pretty deep in there.
That's the cover. This at the Home Depot is $189. That costs $189 at Home Depot. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh yeah. And here's the helmet, yeah. Got that one.
Hey, look on that. Hold it up. Hold up the neck.
Hey, come on, let's see what we got here. This is where no, this is brand new.
Hey, I think you picked up the box, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, there you go.
Whoa,
Look to the side.
What's up, Papa?
Listen to the leaves.
Whoa.
The leaves.
We can use this as a, like something. Dang, we can use this as a house. You know, I want to keep the box. Yeah, me too.
There you go.
Got them right
I
here.
want to keep the box.
I told you.
Grandpa,
Look at that pretty son. Damn, look at y'all, man. Y'all some rich buckets.
can we keep
Okay,
the
this is the
box?
only thing like I told you we gotta go right now. We need to order.
Let's go.
We need to order a 100-foot cable. 100-foot cable, and we need to order the quick connect ends right here. And we need to order a stinger and a clamp. That way you ain't gotta fuck with those two
Hey,
stuff
how
back
you
there.
get it in here
With the pallet jack. The man brought it right in here for me. Start up a little bit there, but check all the oils and everything in it.
There's the motor.
Yeah.
Oh, look, and they got the cover, like, they have the shoes for it.
Yep, perfect. This box is perfect for the house.
Oh, man.
So got a hole in it.
Yep, probably need to run it a little bit to change that though.
Probably.
A few hours, y'all need to read the manuals on that.
Salvador?
See
Yeah.
what it says before
We
we
need to
put
fix
gas
the
in
box
it.
up.
I don't think we
What do
need
you
to
mean
move it
the
right
box
now,
up?
do we?
Fix the box up.
Not really. My only thing is right here when we're
That
cleaning,
thing
the
is
water's gushing
big.
off right here.
Hey, Grandpa.
You understand? That's the only thing. We might move it that way a little bit.
Can you keep this, Grandpa? Can we
Look
keep
at that. That's your daddy's and Uncle Joey's. They went partners in a new welding machine. Look at that. They think
That's a
all
big-
that.
That's a giant
Yeah.
Can we all keep the box? Yes.
Oh man, they
We
closed my mouth.
don't think we are all that, Joey.
That was Victor.
But how we gonna get
Oh look, here's the maintenance kit. We need to get all
But
this.
how we
Look.
gonna get on
We
with
need
the
to all order this so we got it. Look
How
at
we
this.
gonna
Check it
get
out.
on with the box?
See what's on the tags?
But
Take that in, we'll order that shit. The maintenance kit
Here's
shit.
my phone.
Hey,
Only if you put the box only right there.
You know, I can lift it up with the engine hoist. We can lift it up and move it this way a little bit if
Yeah,
you
we
want.
can fix that.
we'll do whatever we
I'm
want to do.
gonna try that.
Look, they got it bolted through the fucking pallet. Check it
Yeah.
out. All right, that's cool in the motherfucker. But that's how we're gonna leave it, huh?
Where'd you find that crane
Ain't
for
going
you?
nowhere. They get that
From
set
the
up.
pipe.
Yeah, we keep it off the ground on that wood right there.
No.
Hey,
What is the
cover.
fill in there? All of them fill in there.
Man,
So
I'm happy.
Yeah.
We want happy people right now.
Y'all got a good deal on that shit too. There it is. Let's just take a look. We're not gonna start it just yet. We're gonna read all the paperwork. Gotta go fill it up with gas. It takes 12 gallons of gas. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Yeah, we'll be using this probably come. What is today? Wednesday. By Saturday, Sunday, you'll be using it, huh?
Saturday.
There's the plug for the generator.
Saturday. I want to have it running by Saturday. Give it a good work.
Yep. Give it a good workout.
And this is where we got our power,
Can we
everything
keep the
in
box?
Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty it is.
Grandpa,
Y'all want to move it right now, or you
it.
want to
Yeah,
move it?
we go. Yeah, I don't want to do right there.
Or you want to move it?
Somewhere where it's not
Can we keep
easy.
the box? Can we keep
Man,
the
that
box?
ain't gonna be that easy access, but then
Or
we'll get
is
it.
that in your way?
Can we keep
I'm just thinking move it this way a little bit, closer to the trailer, and this way a little bit, get it away from that where the water pours down when it's raining. When it's raining, you understand, the water's pouring. That's one of the reasons why I got so soaked, because I was standing right here, moving shit around. Water was just pouring down right here. Listen, pay attention to me. You see how the roof is
Yeah,
running
it's
this
just
way?
gonna go fall.
Yeah, so I just maybe a foot that away or two.
So it won't be rained on, huh? Dang.
Yeah, need to open the side door to the trailer, Joey. You need to put that wrench back where you got it, Victor. You got my keys? Hey, Joey, open up the side.
Can we keep the box for a house?
We will move it
Can this box
just a foot this away, maybe a little bit closer here so you'll be able to weld. You know, turn it a little bit.
and this box? You know you're gonna have to make
see?
windows out of that one.
No.
No, this is a house.
Listen, like I told you, you need room to walk around. This will make a good trailer for you to use. You put that.